Across industries, progress begins with consistency. At the heart of every breakthrough is a system that doesn't just perform, it empowers.
Oh, already done?
It's incredibly fast.
Faster than I expected.
I haven't even unwrapped my second candy sample yet.
This system really makes my job easier.
It's like magic.
At the heart of EVA is a fast forecasting amperometric algorithm.
Just look at these results.
Wow.
It's like having a helpful teammate that boosts our productivity.
EVA's advanced design and one-click interface simplify workflows for every type of sample. It simplifies data management and monitoring, streamlining workflows for high-throughput labs.
Sticky, liquid, dense. It doesn't matter. EVA handles them all with ease. And every result is spot on. It's like having one solution for everything.
Its precision and versatility ensure consistent, reliable results tailored to your needs. It selects the ideal titrant dosing approach to accelerate reaction rates without sacrificing accuracy.
I can test even the most challenging samples in EVA, whether it's thick oils or sample containing ketones. It just works.
With the InMotion KF Pro, EVA effectively processes diverse samples, delivering precise results with speed and consistency.
It's a game changer. I set it up and it just works. No babysitting needed.
EVA systems streamline sample processing with seamless workflows and 24/7 operation. With the InMotion KF Auto Sampler, your lab achieves unmatched efficiency and consistent results you can trust.
Precision isn't just important, it's essential.
Consistency means everything.
Adaptability and safety are non-negotiable.
And data-driven decisions fuel every innovation.
EVA Karl Fischer Titrators, speed and reliability that powers progress across industries.